They say serendipity is the art of finding things when you're not looking for them. And in this case, one of the things that I realized now that I needed was a way to tell you how to get me large files. You can't send a large file through email because the email client will not allow over a certain size. Depends on which email client you have, but the bottom line is you can't send a video through email. They're just too large. So the question is, how do you get an email from you to me in case you need to do that? Maybe I'm editing it for you. Maybe I'm just moving it someplace, whatever. You have to get me a video. Here's how you do it. Real simple. Step one, you sign into your Gmail account. And if you've got a Google My Business account, you've got a Gmail account because it's kind of a requirement. And once you're in this Gmail screen, which I'm pretty sure you have no problem on how to get to it, then you come up here to the upper right hand corner and click where it says Google Apps. Come down here, look for this this icon right here that says Drive. Once you get there, you are now in your Drive folder. It'll say My Drive. For you, chances are there's absolutely nothing in the folder, but you want to get right here. Now, what you need to do is two things. You need to create a folder, share it with me, and then I guess that's three things. Create a folder, share it with me, and then put content in the folder, because anything that's in the folder that you share with me, I have access to. That means that I can get it and do whatever I need to do with it. So let's show you how to do that. The first thing you do is come over here to this big plus that says New. Click that and you'll see where it says Folder. So if I click that, I'm going to create a new folder. I also want to point this out to you that says File Upload. We'll be back to that in a second. Kick Folder, and let's call it Video in this case. Or matter of fact, Video Upload. All right, so hit Create. You can actually call it whatever you want to. It really doesn't matter. All right, so now you have a folder called Video Upload sitting right there. Cool. You can get to it a couple of different ways. You can see the folder. You can click to go into it like this. Come on, don't be a pain. You can go to it like that, or this little icon right there. This will show you the folders that are underneath it. You can go to it like that. Now, however you do it, you're going to end up in this space right here. Cool. Now the folder's created. Now you need to share it with me. All right, so another icon right there. Click that boy right there and go to this little face with the plus next to it that says Share. Click that. Now, once you get this, your email address is going to be listed down here, and then you need to add whoever you want to share the folder with. So in this case, let's say you want to share it with with me. So what you would type in, it would be Chris Carter, and we're going to go with web service because that's the one I want you to use, at gmail.com. And then you'll notice that if it recognizes the email address, it'll say, hey, cool, yeah, this exists. Click that puppy right there. And then you have permissions. You just make it so I can just see it, or that as far as the folder is concerned, or you want to make me an editor on the folder. I would suggest making me an editor so that way if there's anything I need to do, I'll be good to go. All right, so leave this checked, which means notify people, and then you can say anything like, here you go, I just shared a folder, or anything like that, because what's going to happen is I'm going to get an email that says whatever it says here. So let's see, let me copy that just in case. If you don't notify it, that goes away. But if you want to do that and say somebody besides me, then this is the message that goes along with it. All right, so that's the folder, that's the message, and then we hit send. All right, now you can see a person has been added to this folder, and you see the icon with two folks on here, which means it's now a shared folder. And if you click on it, it should tell you who has access to the folder. Nice, easy peasy. Now let's talk about putting items in the folder. If you're a drag and drop kind of person, all you have to do is drag a file from somewhere on your computer over to this folder and let go. Let's see, let's do this one right here. Boom, that's a video, and you look right here and it's going to tell you how long it's going to be to send this folder to finish uploading. Now this is a teeny tiny file. It's only 80 megabytes, about a minute and 27 seconds long at 1280 by 720 dp or 720 dp. So not a very large file. So just one of those things to pay attention to. And again, depending on your internet speed and connection, that number right there is going to go up or down or anything like that. But the bottom line is this is going to let you know what's going on. And this little icon right here will show you the completion status. As it gets more and more uploaded, you'll see that happen. Bottom line is keep that open. So that's one way of doing it. And then once it's uploaded, you just let me know it's in there. I go in there and do whatever I need to do with it. And when we're done with it, probably need to delete it because this, make sure you maintain capacity. All right, now if you're not a drag and drop kind of person and you want to simply have it tell you where is the folder, and you do something that looks a little bit like this. Go back over to here where it says new and then hit file upload, and what it will do is give you a picture of your download folder or whatever, and then you just have to navigate to wherever the file is and then click open. So in this case, say I want to do, this is just an image, I want to do that one right there, hit open, boom, 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 uploading, and you'll see it does that. Once it's uploaded, it's in the folder, and then I can see it. Okay, I won't be notified that something is there, but I will know it's there. Now, just to do one last thing, let's change the file that we're in, make that smaller so it's out of my way. Let's go over here. Let's go into my Gmail account on this one. All right, you get this email right here that says video upload invitation to collaborate. Basically, this is the email that says, hey, somebody has shared a folder with you. And that lets me know, cool. And there's the message that I typed. And then all I have to do from here is hit there. However, I won't do that. For me, I'll absolutely simply go into my Google Drive on this particular one, and I'll go to the one that says shared with me. Boom. And I'll see this one. But something else I want you to take a peek at, because it just kind of shot by, is if I hit my drive, hit quick access, look at that, uploaded just now by. So I can quickly see what's there. So you get the idea. The easiest way to get me a folder or an image or anything else is to simply share a folder with me and then upload it. And then that'll be the way that we pass files back and forth from now on. Makes it a lot easier, and you don't have to worry about paying for a Dropbox account. Don't worry about anything else. Just do it like that. Hopefully this has been helpful, because I have a feeling we're going to be doing this a lot in the future. At least I hope we will. All right, talk to you later. Questions, holler at me.